December 8th, 2025, guys. Look what we have for you guys today. Super clean Silverado 4500 HD. It's got the Duramax and the Allison automatic transmission. Got an 11-foot service body on it. Really in good shape. Let's figure out the width on this truck, on this body. All right, guys, we got an 8-foot wide box on it. 11-foot long, real deep pockets on this box. There we go. Nice little service truck, guys. Set up really in good shape. Tread in the back is probably about 40 to 60% in that range. Nice clean headliner. Seats are really in good shape. Got the vinyl flooring on it. Really a nice truck, guys. A little bit of some stuff there. That'll all come out. Needs a little bit of cleanup, guys, but really overall it's really good shape. Go ahead and pull the hood for y'all, let you see the engine. Runs excellent. Nice clean oil. No glitter, no blow-by. Runs 1540. Nice and clean. Not trying to blow the cap off or anything. Running smooth as it should, guys. Nice truck, guys. Nice truck. Looks like it's a 2019 or 2020 model. Wish I could show you the miles, but I have the hood open. Look at the description for that. Does have exhaust brake, interlocker axles, all the auxiliaries, four-wheel drive, high and low. Things set up for hauling. Nice little box. Ready to go to work for somebody. Let me go ahead and close the hood for y'all, and I'll go ahead and do a quick little, oh hell, these things are always a pain in the ass on these trucks. You gotta pull this out of the way while you close the hood, because they put them in the absolute wrong spot on those computers. God almighty. All right, there we go. Now, should come down. Come on. God, working me a little bit there, hood. Good gosh. All right, guys, without further ado, let me close this hood up for y'all. I'll give y'all a little drive test, show you it runs, works as it's supposed to, guys. All right, on the 4500 HD, here we go. All right, guys, as you can see, it has good forward and reverse pressure. Stopped on a dime as it's supposed to. Shifted through the first couple gears there, as you can see. Ran and worked as it was supposed to, guys, on this Nice little 2500 HD Silverado with 11-foot box. If you're interested in this machine and you got any questions, give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you.